Welcome to another exciting episode of our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and robotics. Today, we're going to take you on a journey through the 6 phases of artificial intelligence in robotics. These phases have shaped the development of intelligent machines and have brought us to the brink of a future where robots possess human-like intelligence, adaptability, and autonomy. Phase 1. Pre-programmed robots. Our journey begins with Phase 1. Pre-programmed robots. In the early days of robotics, before the emergence of sophisticated AI systems, pre-programmed robots ruled the scene. These robots were the pioneers, the first step towards creating more intelligent and autonomous machines. Pre-programmed robots were designed for highly specialized and repetitive tasks in controlled environments, such as manufacturing assembly lines. They were coded and configured to execute specific actions, making them highly efficient within their designated tasks. Their actions were determined by a set of instructions meticulously input by human operators, lacking adaptability and the ability to respond to unforeseen changes in their surroundings. Phase 2. Reactive machines. Moving on to Phase 2. Reactive machines. These robots marked a significant transition from pre-programmed robots. Reactive machines introduced a level of environmental awareness and the ability to respond to specific stimuli. Unlike pre-programmed robots, reactive machines relied on sensory inputs to make decisions. Sensors or cameras enabled them to perceive their surroundings in real time, allowing them to execute tasks with a semblance of intelligence. However, their responses were still rule-based and deterministic. Examples of reactive machines include devices like voice-activated thermostats and virtual assistants, which respond to predefined cues but lack true learning capabilities. Reactive machines marked an important step in robotics, where machines began to exhibit traits associated with intelligent behavior. Phase 3. Tele-operated robotics. In Phase 3, we enter the era of tele-operated robotics. This phase represents a significant leap in remote control and human-machine collaboration. Tele-operated robots are semi-autonomous machines controlled by human operators from a safe distance using wireless networks. The operator guides the robot's actions through interfaces such as joysticks, haptic devices, or virtual reality systems. These robots work in areas where it's challenging or unsafe for humans to be present. For instance, the Mars rover allows scientists to explore distant planets, and surgical systems like the Da Vinci system enable precise, remote surgery. Teleoperated drones play a crucial role in military operations. Phase 4. Autonomous robots. Phase 4 introduces us to autonomous robots, marking a watershed moment in robotics. These machines can operate independently, making decisions based on their own sensory inputs and internal algorithms. Autonomous robots rely on advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and sensory fusion to navigate and interact with their environments. Unlike their predecessors, they do not require direct human control and can adapt to changing circumstances. Examples of autonomous robots include delivery robots used by companies like Amazon and FedEx, as well as robotic vacuum cleaners like the Roomba. These robots operate in dynamic and unstructured environments, improving efficiency and safety. Phase 5. Humanoid robots. Phase 5 brings us to the fascinating world of humanoid robots. These robots are designed to mimic human form and capabilities, bridging the gap between machines and humans. Humanoid robots have human-like appearances and structures, including a head, torso, arms, and legs. They are equipped with sensors such as cameras, microphones, and touch sensors, allowing them to perceive their surroundings and interact with humans and objects. Notable examples of humanoid robots include Pepper by SoftBank Robotics, widely used in retail and customer service roles, and Sophia by Hanson Robotics, designed for social interaction. These robots can hold conversations, recognize faces, and perform tasks with a degree of autonomy. Phase 6. Augmenting robots. Finally, in Phase 6, we explore augmenting robots. These robots are designed to enhance human capabilities, working collaboratively with us in various domains. Augmenting robots are not meant to replace humans but to elevate our abilities. They are at the forefront of a field where the boundaries between human potential and technological innovation blur. Examples of augmenting robots include robotic prosthetic limbs, designed to restore mobility and functionality. and exoskeletons that bestow humans with incredible strength. These robots are inching closer to redefining the very essence of human capabilities. As we conclude this journey through the 6 phases of artificial intelligence in robotics, we can see how far we've come in the quest to create machines with intelligence, adaptability, and autonomy akin to humans. The future of robotics holds incredible promise, and these phases have been crucial in shaping that future. If you've made it this far, don't forget to comment down below with the word 100 to confirm that you've received the knowledge from this video. Thanks for joining us on this exciting exploration of the evolution of artificial intelligence in robotics. We'll see you in the next video.